Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Kennewick. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 82, this Kennewick motel is less than 1 mile from Three Rivers Convention Center. It features an indoor pool and hot tub and serves a daily grab-and-go breakfast. Laundry facilities is available on site. Free Wi-Fi is offered in every traditionally decorated guest room at Super 8 Kennewick. Rooms include a cable TV, a microwave and a fridge. For convenience, each room includes tea and coffee making facilities. A 24-hour reception is offered at Kennewick Super 8. Guests have access to the business center with fax and photocopying services. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are available on site. Within 3 minutes drive of this motel, guests will find Toyota Center and Columbia Center Mall. Tri-Cities Airport is 9 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.